Welcome to Daily English Where Kitchen Edition.
Welcome to
Daylight English.
Kitchen Edition.
I chop the onion. I chop the on.
I boil the water. I boil the water.
I take the eggs from the fridge. I take the eggs from.
I wash the vegetables. I wash the vegetables.
I toast the bread. I toast the bread. I take a plate from the cupboard. I take a plate from the cupboard.
I stir the soup slowly. Stir the soup slowly.
I set the table for dinner. I set the table for dinner.
The food is delicious.